Now the bullseye is on the tip of the nose. 3 circles. The first circle is Kanji County. Then it's still the ears on both sides. Be careful not to hide it too long, because Shiagawari is a small ear. Next, pass the bullseye from the middle, then the ears on both sides again. Next, continue to pass the bullseye from the middle until you feel full. It's a matter of words. Then cover the nose of the Kanji County. Cover the nose of the Kanji County dog. If you're careless, it will show. Next comes trimming, trimming, trimming. Pay attention here. When washing the dog, the fur should be brushed to both sides. When rinsing, also rinse toward both sides. Start embroidering the fur. The ears should be trimmed close to the head. This way, it will look more well-shaped. Use glue to stick the nose in place. I've shared the nose tutorial before. Take out the black disc and draw the mouth. The body part is the same as before. You can just watch the previous video. That's it! One dog head is finished. Thank you for watching.